Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about Goa, which has achieved the full functional literacy. On its statehood day itself, after Mizoram, Goa has become the second state to achieve full functional literacy state. This happened under Ullas Nav Bharat Sakshatkar Karikram, that is the New India Literacy Program. Ullas stands for Understanding Lifelong Learning for All in the Society. This is a centrally sponsored scheme implemented in the time period of 2022 and 2027. This is being done under Ministry of Education. It aligns with the recommendations of National Educational Policy of 2020. This will empower all the adults of age 15 and above who could not attend their schooling and want to be integrated to the mainstream and contribute to the country. They will be educated through this program. Do let me know in the comment section which was the first union territory to achieve the full functional literacy rate. Now, under this Ullas, there are 5 components. First, foundational literacy and numeracy. Second, critical life skills. Third, basic education. Fourth, vocational skills. And fifth is continuing education. The Ullas app is used for registration of learners, which is a voluntary process. And also, this will be done through self-registration or through the surveyors. Now, this will act as a digital gateway to access the e-content and other resources provided by Diksha portal of NCERT. Diksha portal has all the e-content which are used for schools and also the learning resources. Now, let us solve a practice question. Consider, with reference to Ullas initiative, consider the following statements. It highlights the importance of lifelong learning as a powerful catalyst that enhances lives and boosts employment and cultivates culture of ongoing progress. This is correct. It focuses on encouraging functional literacy, vocational expertise, and essential life skills such as financial literacy, legal literacy, digital literacy, and empowering citizens to participate in nation building. This is also true. The initiative operates through compulsory participation. No, this is wrong. It is voluntary in nature of the eligible individuals. Thus, the answer is only 2. Thank you.